Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again, Aqua Fishy Adventure. I'm here at Cartimar Pet Center and that is Aqualand Alley. Many are requesting for the price, so as to my recollection, okay? So Tiger Barb, that ranges from 25 pesos to 35 pesos. And these are kois, that's probably around 10 inches and above. Some are around 8, and this cost around 1,500. Red cap, probably that will be around 500, and this is a lucky parrot, and that will be around 500 too. Cichlids is around 130 pesos to 250 pesos, depends on what store. So we have goldfish, and then we do have this dragon. I don't have the price for that. This one, when I ask, it's 2,500. So again, we have a lucky parrot. Then we have ping pong or imported pearl scale, and then we have goldfish, ranchu, beta, and then here some ranchus here around 500 to 600. Then Daniels, this is ranging from 50 pesos and above. And then we have Tiger Barbs, which is Sumatre or green barb, 25 to 35 pesos. And I'm just fascinated with this big aquarium containing monster fish. And then we have ballerfish, tin foil, and some different catfish. We do have a paku behind, and then not familiar with the other fishes inside this, but they're all bigger than my head. So wishing that I do have this big aquarium. And we do have here a peacock bass and an arowana. Sorry, I was not able to get a chance to ask for the prices. Actually, I was prohibited of one of the sellers to take more videos, which I don't know why, as to the owner, he says. So, but anyway, I'm scouting for tiger barbs like this one, and which costs 25 to 35 pesos. And cichlids, Mbuna, assorted, and also we're looking for clown loaches, and there they are just behind this aquarium. And this one is at Cartimar Pet Center. I believe for those who are frequently coming here, they know where this shop is. So as you proceed to the entrance, this is on the left side. I usually buy submersible filter here from this shop. They have assorted catfishes, and as you could see here, and also like this one that I'm about to show you. There we go. Now sometimes I'm wondering, are we the one looking at the fish, or is it the fish looking at us? Well, that is so funny, right? So here are cardinals and neon tetra, and here is what they call super red, and she is so beautiful, right? She's like somewhat floating in the air, and their nature is jumping out of the water. And so you really need to have a big aquarium for that. And here are some cichlids and angelfish, more baby angelfishes. So they do have rams, so cute, and more cichlids. Here are beautiful goldfish and tricolor angelfish, and landscape is what we have here on this shop as for their front display. So as we move along, I guess there's a lot of stock of angel fishes. As you can see, there are marbled also. Now this shop also caters seawater fishes, and the one on the front is an assortment of corals, discus. I believe this is an artificial coral reef that they made it as a display. And also, as you can see here, this is bigger than my hand. Imported branchu, lionhead, oranda, fancy goldfish that probably cost thousands for one piece. So keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hope Cucina 101, and also click that bell icon so you get notified whenever I would visit Cartimar. Also check my playlist, Planting Adventure, Cooking at Home, Travel Vacation, Escapade, Arts and more. And so again, thank you for watching. Till next time, bye-bye now.